Good morning. Dr. Gail Newell speaking as health officer and as a community member. You've heard a lot from me about COVID-19 over the past 6 months, and indeed COVID is the worst public health crisis in a generation. But there is a second pandemic impacting our county now, a pandemic that has ravaged our country for centuries, racism. There is no doubt about it. Racism is a public health crisis. Racism affects where people live, where they go to school, the quality of the air they breathe, their income and wealth, their personal safety, their access to food and healthcare, and more. Racism actually hurts people. It kills people. Black women are nearly 4 times as likely to die of pregnancy-related causes than white women. Black people are more likely than white people to experience high blood pressure, diabetes, and stroke. And they're more likely to die at early ages of all causes. Black and brown patients experience worse health outcomes than their white counterparts in nearly every category, even as they move up the socioeconomic ladder. It is no coincidence that communities of color have been harder hit by COVID in case rates, hospitalizations, and deaths. COVID has revealed stark inequities in our society, inequities that have existed since the founding of this country but have been laid bare in recent months. This is the time of reckoning. Passing the resolution today declaring racism as a public health crisis is a first step, but it is not enough. Moving forward, we must develop a clear plan of action backed by funding to support that plan. The Government Alliance on Race and Equity, GARE, is one resource we could utilize. GARE has seen success with advancing racial equity and government transformation with the following 6 strategies: use a racial equity framework, build organizational capacity, implement racial equity tools, be data-driven, partner with other institutions and communities, and communicate and act with urgency. This is an urgent matter. It will be hard work to begin to unravel centuries of racism. This resolution is the first step of a long journey toward becoming anti-racist. Count me in as we travel that road together.
Thank you.
Thank you.